The new Audi R8 LMS GT4 race car has made its debut at this year's New York Auto Show. Since 2009, the Audi R8 LMS GT3 has been available for customer purchase, but this new model is intended to be even more affordable. LMS GT-class racing is some of the most entertaining out there. Unlike racing series such as Formula 1, NASCAR, or even the World Rally Championship, GTE, GT3, and GT4 cars are still based heavily on cars you can find on dealer lots today. The GT4 class was created to have a true entry-level racing series. Homologation keeps the cars closer to their production counterparts than any of the other GT classes. Engines, bodywork, and suspension are all similar to production versions, though substantially beefed up for racing. In the case of the Audi R8 LMS GT4, more than 60% its parts are shared with the R8 Coupe. That means parts are plentiful and relatively affordable.